Welcome to planetghost.com. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add users in Drupal. Now, when we install Drupal, we get this create new account link here. Now, when I initially started learning Drupal, I was a little confused. I was in a real dilemma that in case if I want to make a login form for users, is this the same login form for the users? How to create a new login form? Uh, then I came to know that the login form for the administrator and any other user registering to your site, you would have the same login window. This window is the login window for you, as you are the site administrator, and for other users as well. Now when I click on create new account, we have two links here. One states username and the other states email address. We can add few more text fields here, like first name, last name, uh, hobbies, whatnot, things, anything, whatever we need to add by enabling few modules like profile. But in this tutorial we won't do that. We will just add few users from the admin side. We won't register to the site as visitors, but we will add few users from the administrator. For that we will just go and click on people. We will click on add user. There's a link here, add user. Now I'll name it user1, email address as user1 at localhost or say planetghost.com. Password, I'll keep it as user1. Okay. Now he will become the authenticated user by default, as I'm making this user from the administrator, as I'm logged in as admin, and I can also make him the administrator by clicking on this checkbox, but we won't do that. We will just create a user. When a user will create him, when he will register himself, he will just become an authenticated user. Now a user has been created. We will log in from another browser with the credentials to user. Now when a user has logged in, see, this is how he gets to see the site. He is logged in, he can see his own account. He won't get that administrator panel here. See, I'm logged in as user1 in Chrome in my another browser, but in Mozilla I'm logged in as the administrator. I have all the rights. Being the administrator, I can do anything. But when I log in as user1, I won't get to see that admin area, although I am logged in via the same login panel, but the rights are completely different. I won't get to see anything what the administrator gets. And being the super admin, being the admin, I can grant him the rights. Whatever things I want him to see, I can click on permissions tab here. By clicking on people, I can grant him the rights. I can grant rights to the authenticated user. If I want him to create article, I can grant him the right of creating article, and so on. As of now, by default, he just has the rights to pass comments. He can just pass comments to the articles, and that's it. We can also create new role. For example, we have authenticated user, anonymous user, and the administrator. If we want to create one more sort of user, that may be editor or something, we can also create that. I would do that in my next tutorial. This is it for this tutorial. Thank you.